Alright, as I said before, this will make a huge difference. And you saw, I mean, this is PVC, so on the first trial it wasn't really warm enough, so there's a very fine line from getting it to really like jelly, and then it didn't really open up. So on the second attempt it was perfect. I think it was in there for like 15 to 20 minutes now, and almost to 100 degrees. So with the gloves you can just touch it, and so now actually cooling down it will harden, and it will really, actually it will shrink a little bit, so it will really suck itself on and be a super nice tight fit. So we just have to attach the end pieces to it, and yeah, just another step that makes quite a little difference. Cool, so she's coming together. So with the interior now, I think next week we will have a complete boat, and then we'll invite some cute girls and go for a ride on the lake. Alright, I hope you liked the progress. If so, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Click the little bell so you get notification when we continue with her or with any of our other projects. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.